Why is Italian food so addictive? Let's get started.
Hey, do you like Italian food?
Yes, Italian food is delicious.
It really is. Do you know why Italian food is loved all over the world?
Maybe because it tastes good.
Exactly. Italian food is fresh, simple, and full of flavor. People love it because it feels homemade and special. What's your favorite Italian dish?
I love pasta.
Great choice. Italian pasta comes in many types. Have you tried linguine, ravioli, or lasagna?
Yes, I love lasagna.
Me too. Lasagna has layers of pasta, meat, and creamy sauce. It's so comforting. And ravioli is fun too. It's like little pasta pockets, stuffed with cheese or meat. Do you like pasta with pesto, or carbonara sauce?
I've tried carbonara.
Carbonara is made with eggs, cheese, and crispy bacon. Pesto is different. It's a green sauce made from basil, garlic, and olive oil. Both are full of flavor.
I need to try pesto.
Definitely. And let's talk about pizza. Do you like hand-tossed pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
Awesome. Hand-tossed pizza has a soft, chewy crust. Do you like toppings like pepperoni, mushroom, and onion?
I love pepperoni pizza.
Classic. Pepperoni adds a little spice, and green pepper and mushroom give a fresh taste. Some people even put green peas on their pizza.
Green peas on pizza? That's interesting.
Italian food is full of surprises. Italians really care about fresh ingredients. Do you know why?
Fresh food tastes better.
Exactly. Italians use seasonal vegetables and herbs to make sure everything tastes amazing. Basil, oregano, and rosemary are popular. Have you tried Parmesan cheese?
Yes, I love Parmesan.
Did you know real Parmesan is aged for months? That's why it has a rich, nutty taste. Italians take great care in making their food. Do you know why wine is important in Italian meals?
Is it tradition?
Yes. Wine brings out the flavors in food, and Italy has many famous wines. Italians drink wine with meals, but always in moderation.
That makes sense.
Italian meals are also long and relaxing. People eat slowly and enjoy different courses. Do you know how many courses they usually have?
I don't know.
Sometimes 4 or 5. They start with appetizers, then pasta, then meat or fish, then dessert. Speaking of dessert, Italian sweets are amazing.
I love desserts.
You're going to love Italian desserts. 3 famous ones are tiramisu, cannoli, and panna cotta. Have you tried any of them?
I've tried tiramisu.
That's a great choice. Tiramisu is soft and creamy, made with coffee, mascarpone cheese, and ladyfinger cookies. Do you know what makes it special?
The coffee flavor.
Exactly. The coffee gives it a rich taste, and each bite melts in your mouth. Another amazing dessert is cannoli. They are crispy pastry shells, stuffed with sweet ricotta cheese. The contrast between crunchy and creamy is perfect.
That sounds delicious.
It really is. And panna cotta is different. It's a smooth, silky cream dessert that wobbles like jelly. It's usually topped with fruit or caramel sauce.
I need to try that.
You definitely should. Italian desserts are simple but so flavorful. They always use fresh ingredients, just like the rest of Italian food.
I want to learn how to cook Italian food.
That's great. Cooking Italian food is fun and easy to learn. Would you like to start with pasta or pizza first?
Pasta.
Good choice. You can learn to cook basic pasta dishes in about 5 to 7 days. First, you practice boiling pasta perfectly, then making simple sauces like pesto and carbonara. After a week, you'll be able to make a delicious Italian meal.
That sounds doable. What about pizza?
Pizza takes about 7 to 10 days to master. First, you learn how to make the dough, then how to create the perfect hand-tossed crust. After a few days, you can start experimenting with toppings like pepperoni, mushroom, and green pepper.
Wow, that sounds fun.
It really is. Italian cooking is all about fresh ingredients and simple techniques. After just 2 weeks, you could impress your friends and family with homemade pasta and pizza.
I want to try it.
You definitely should. Start with a simple pasta recipe, then move on to pizza. And don't forget to make tiramisu for dessert. It's easy and super tasty.
I love this idea.
Italian food is more than just eating. It's a celebration of life. If you could visit Italy, what Italian food would you eat first?
I think I'd go for pizza.
Great choice. If you want the best pizza in Italy, you have to visit Naples. That's where pizza was born. They make pizza with simple, fresh ingredients. It's cooked in a super hot oven, and the crust is perfectly crispy.
That sounds amazing.
Then you should visit Bologna. It's famous for fresh pasta. Unlike the version in other countries, the sauce is rich and slow-cooked with beef, pork, and tomato. You'll taste the difference right away.
I love slow-cooked pasta sauces.
Me too. And if you want amazing seafood pasta, go to Sicily. They make delicious linguine with fresh clams, prawns, and even sea urchin. Sicily is right by the sea, so their seafood is super fresh.
That sounds delicious.
If you want the best local food, ask the locals where they eat. Italians love sharing their favorite restaurants, but they rarely go to touristy places. You'll find hidden gems with amazing homemade food.
That's a great tip.
I have one more. If you want the best Italian desserts, visit Rome. They have creamy tiramisu, crispy cannoli, and silky panna cotta.
I need to go to Italy soon.
Yes, you do. You'll experience the real taste of Italy, learn about local traditions, and enjoy unforgettable meals. Just remember, when in Italy, eat like an Italian. Take your time, enjoy every bite.